Hello, this is a tutorial on how to count the number of unique variables you have within a given data set. So in order to run this tutorial, I've written out A, B, and C in the range B2 through B12, and the A's, B's, and C's have different frequencies of occurrence. A happens 3 times, B happens 6 times, and then C happens twice. But what we want the resulting answer of our formula to be is 3 because we have 3 unique variables, A, B, and C. In order to do that, we're going to find an empty cell and we're going to start the formula equals sum product. And now we're going to open the parentheses and we're going to hit 1 divided by COUNTIF. And then for our range, we're going to select B2 through B12 because this is the range of data that we are looking at particularly, or the range of data in question. Then we're going to hit comma, and for our criteria we're actually going to put in the same set of data, so B2 through B12. Because we opened up 2 parentheses, we now need to close 2 parentheses, and when we hit enter we see we get the resulting 3 we were looking for because we have A, B, and C. And then to show that this is truly doing what it's saying, I'm going to change this B to D. And when I hit enter, we're hoping we get 4 because now we have A, B, C, D. If I change this B to D, we should still remain at 4 because we only have the 4 letters. And now if I change this B to E, we're going to get 5. Same is true in terms of reducing the number of unique variables. If I change everything to A and hit enter, we get the resulting 1 that we'd want from our formula. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this helped. Please subscribe.